Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen, and if you're new here, I'm vanAmsen, and I break down coding problems in a way that's easier to understand and more interesting and a lot fun. So today we are going with a very interesting problem. It's called palindrome partitioning. We will try to solve it in a JavaScript. It's medium level problem and one of 100 top problems on LeetCode, great for interview preparation and tuning up your programming skills. So let's quickly go over the problem. We are given a string S, and our task is to partition S such that every substring of the partition is a palindrome. So we will return all possible palindrome partitioning of S. For example, if our string is AAB, the output will be A, B, and also AA and B. And before diving in, let's do a quick refresh on what palindrome is. It's a word, a phrase, number, or other sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backward, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. So a classic example are Madame or race car. So all right, now that we are all on the same page, let's get coding. So we will begin by defining our main function partitioning, which take our string s as a parameter. And first, let's initialize some variables. So the variable n will hold the length of our string, and dp is a two-dimensional array that will help us keep track of palindrome substring. And for each character in the string, we'll check whether it forms a palindrome with the other characters. And we do this by using a nested loop, for loop, and we will populate our DP array accordingly. So next, let's create an empty array results to store our palindrome partitioning. So let me implement first part. So let n as length and let dp be array and fill false map array and fill false, and for let right equals 0, right less than n, right increment, and for left 0, left less than right, left increment as well. So if s left equal s right and right minus left less than 2, or dp left plus 1, right minus 1, so dp left right equals true. And yeah, so this is our loop, and then let result be an array and function backtracking start path. Okay, so what we did, so we defined a helper function backtrack now to explore all possible palindrome. And in backtrack, if our start index equal the string length, that means we have reached the end of the string, and we will add the current path to our result. Now we will iterate from the start index to end of the string. And if our dp array confirms the current substring is a palindrome, we add it to our current path and recursively call backtrack again on the remaining part of the string. So lastly, we will kick off the process by calling backtrack with an initial state of 0 and empty path, and finally return our stored result. So if start equals n, result push path. So we have path and we return. And for let end starts and less than n and plus plus, if dp start and backtrack and one path concat s slice start and plus plus. So backtrack 0 array return result. So here we have our implementation as mentioned before. So let's run it and see if it's working. So it's working for this test case as previously mentioned, and also a single character is also palindrome. So let's submit it for unseen test cases. I'm submitting it, and so first time in JavaScript, and there you have it. We have successfully completed the task. We beat 9% with respect to runtime, but also 93% with respect to memory. So it's really memory efficient. And there you have it. Everything's worked perfect, so excellent. All tests passed. Remember, understanding the problem is half the battle, and keep practicing and you will master these techniques in no time. And all right, so that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new video, and keep practicing. Happy coding. See you next time.